Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Indian Excel Guru. Today we will learn an Excel tips and trick which will save your time. Suppose we have got a task that we have to select this number of column and scroll down till row number 100 and more than that. So you can see it's taking lots of time. So there is a way which you can do it. Just select any cell, press function key F5. You'll get an option of go to. Remove whatever written in the reference cell. Just enter which column number you want to select. Suppose I want to select AA. Until which row number? Suppose I want to select still 500 row number. Then press shift and hold it and then click OK. Now you can see the row number 500 and column number AA is selected. Now you can make it this way, or you can do it anything that you want to do, you can do it. So this is the way how you can do and save your time. Thanks for watching.